Like I was saying, we got our shirts in with our logo, and it also has our Build Boost Race on the back. We got these in a small, medium, large, and extra large, so check that out. That should be, it's not on the website yet. If you want one, you want to support the channel, you want to support Budgetbuild, or if you're with Budgetbuild, you got a Budgetbuild, you know, hit me up, direct message on Instagram or Facebook. But we will work on getting these on the website. We also got our travel mugs, which these are actually pretty good. I use it myself. I know you've seen them in a couple videos, but get this off. Travel mugs, keep anything, you know, hot, cold. They work pretty good. I usually put my coffee in it around 5:30 in the morning, and it's usually good till about 3 p.m., which is long enough. So we got these. If you want one of these, get with me. Like I said, we're working on getting everything on the website, but if you want one now, direct message me. I'll hook you guys up. Also too, you know, I don't really believe in it, but some places are requiring it, so masks. I never really liked wearing the ones that, you know, hook on your ears. I always like the neck gaiters. So we got this one right here, and we also got this one right here. So like I said, if you have to wear a mask or whatever and you want to support Budgetbuild, hit us up, man. I mean, like I said, I never really liked the ones that have the things on the ear. There you go. There you have it. So we are selling those. But yeah, so this next portion of the build, it went pretty quick, and I wasn't able to get a lot of camera footage. Well, I was, but I wasn't able to actually talk and work at the same time because we were moving fast. So there are going to be some areas where I'm going to do a voiceover. You're going to see me here while I'm doing something on the truck, and just bear with me. So let's get to the video, and hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so we got our drain fitting in, and we're going to go ahead and get our feed fitting. And it's really simple. All you're gonna do is get the gasket. Take these two bolts. Oh yeah, so somebody asked me which one is the feed and which one is the drain. So in case you guys don't know, should know, but in case you don't, the smaller 4AN is the feed and the larger 10AN is the drain. This fitting right here bolts to your turbo. Somebody had asked that, so I figured I'd go ahead and get the turbo off the truck so I can show you. Now we're just gonna put the drain line. We're gonna cut it first. What we did was we taped it so we wouldn't get as much of the wire fraying. Taped it. We're gonna cut it, and then all you're gonna do is this fitting right here. You're gonna put your hose through there. See? Put your hose through here,
tighten that down, and then tighten it down on here, right there. All right, we got our fitting on there. Now all we're gonna do is tighten it up.
All right, guys, so I wanna hear, give this thing a test run. I wanna hear what it sounds like. So the only thing we got left to do is our feed line, which we're gonna go ahead and install now. And I like to go by the oil filter and use this adapter right here. This is by ICT Billet. I'll put the link down in the description. So that we'll go ahead and do that. And then also too, we're gonna install, there we go. We're gonna install the crossover pipe if I can find it. I don't know what I did with it. Yep, there it is. Yep, we're gonna install this crossover pipe. Right here, it's got a 38mm flange on it. So I got a 38mm to 44mm flange right here. And if we start to get boost creep, because of the location, ideally you want your wastegate to be close to the collector for the turbo and at a 90, so that it can, whichever way the flow is going. So if the flow were going this way, you'd want your wastegate placement right here. But we're just gonna run with this and see how far it gets us. I like to do real world testing. So this goes right here, and then wastegate goes right there on top. And here is the final product. So we got our flange adapter and our wastegate. Alright guys, today we're gonna get started on our build again. We got our drain line, feed line, we got our crossover with our wastegate, and got our turbo manifold. We got the turbo mounted. I think that's where how we're gonna run it. We also got our AC bracket notch, and we got the AC compressor back on there. Really excited about that. All we had to do for right now was bend the line and wrap it with heat wrap. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our intercooler test fitted and our intercooler piping, get the rest of the front end put back on, and then hopefully today we can install our map sensor and our boost gauge. We got something that came in for that. I'll show you guys in here in a little bit. And also got a surprise for this truck. Picked it up today. Comment down below what you guys think it is. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I just tried to test fit the grill, and we're gonna have to trim off these tabs, which I don't really need them anyway because I went and had cut the bracket where those would mount to. So we gotta trim that off, and our grill should fit pretty good with our intercooler behind it. So now we got our intercooler test fitted. We had to cut those brackets. Fits perfect. We're now getting our intercooler piping test fitted. I did forget a coupler. I
don't have one in stock right now, so this is the way it's going to be ran. And then I got a coupler that's going to come out towards the front of the truck and then go this way, so that crazy bend right there just won't happen. I have to do that because the alternator pulley's right there, and so the coupler that I got is going to come out further. All right, got everything routed. That's where we're going to put the blow off valve. Ideally, you want to put the blow off valve right here, which we probably will in the future, but this is just to get everything routed and the least amount of pipes cut. We only had to cut one pipe, so got everything mounted. We're gonna put the blow off valve there. We're gonna put the blow off valve right there for now. And next we are going to, I think we're gonna install a map sensor and probably install the boost gauge. But this is pretty much done. Well, actually, we'll go ahead and we'll put the blow off valve on real quick so you guys can see how that goes on there. Alright guys, today didn't get to do our boost gauge yesterday, so we're going to do it today. I lost the one that I had ordered, so I went down to Advanced and just picked up one of these cheap little Bosch ones. I also broke my map sensor on accident, so I went down to the store and picked up one of those. Here's the part number if you're trying to get it locally.
So that's going to go ahead and bring this video to an end. I didn't really like the quality of the glow ship pillar pod, but it'll work for what we got going on now. Stay tuned. We got more coming. Come here. Oh, stay tuned. We got more coming. We got our exhaust that we're doing. We got to do our downpipe. We got some tuning. We got our we got our oil catch can. We got to do, what else we got? Oil catch can. We got tuning. We got our injectors too that we got to install. But yeah, stay tuned. The build continues. We should be finished in the next video. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.